Kapitan Chicken is one of the unique breed in the curry family. It is the least spicy Malaysian curry, which is ideal for anyone who is unable to bear the heat from some other fiercely hot curries. Now in this video, I will show you how to prepare Kapitan Chicken in 4 simple steps. Prepare the chicken for stewing. There are 2 sub-steps here: marinate and deep fry. Marinate ensures the flavor is locked inside the chicken after prolonged stewing. Deep frying creates the aroma. So let's take a look. Cut the chicken into large chunks, bone in and skin on. Marinate the chicken with turmeric powder, salt, and some oil for a few hours or at least 30 minutes. It is advisable to use a disposable hand glove when you marinate chicken, as the turmeric will leave a yellow stain on your hand. Deep fry the chicken chunks until the skin starts to turn brown. It does not matter if the chicken chunks are still half cooked, as we'll continue cooking the chicken with the curry paste and the coconut milk. Step 2 is to make the curry paste. The plethora of herbs and spices in this Nyonya chicken recipe defines the unmistakable flavor and aroma of Kapitan Chicken. Some of the ingredients like turmeric, dry chili, galangal, lemongrass, candle nuts, and belacan may be considered as exotic terms to some people. The type of chili I use is the local red serrano chilies. Cut the chili lengthwise and remove the seeds. Cut the chili into sections. As for the dry chilies, soak them in water until it's soft, and cut them into short sections too. Galangal is used in almost every version of Malaysian curry paste. Cut it into very thin slices so that it can be blended well along with the rest of the ingredients. As for the lemongrass, discard the green section and use only the white section. Remove the outer shaft and slice into short pieces. Turmeric is also called yellow ginger in Chinese. It has the intense yellow color that can stain your hand. Use a pair of disposable gloves when you deal with turmeric. It can stain your fingers as well as any plastic ware. The rest of the ingredients are quite straightforward: onion, garlic, candle nuts, belacan, which is the Malay version of the shrimp paste, and some oil to facilitate blending. Blend these items finely and homogeneous. You may experience some small pieces of galangal and lemongrass remain in the gravy after cooking, if you do not blend the paste and make it smooth enough. The next step is to prepare the remaining ingredients for the Kapitan Chicken. There are a few more ingredients you need. Some of them are less commonly used outside Southeast Asia, but you should be able to get them at your local Asian grocery shop or purchase online. Get some freshly squeezed coconut milk on demand at the market. But if it is not available, use the canned or boxed version as the alternative. Get a few kaffir lime leaves ready for the stew. Roll up some leaves. Cut them into very fine strips for garnish. Add some warm water to the tamarind pulp and let the pulp dissolve into the water. Set aside for 10 minutes and then filter the pulp and sip away. Use only the extracted juice. A small amount of tamarind adds a subtle sour note to the curry. You can use tamarind concentrate or tamarind juice as a substitute for fresh tamarind pulp. Shake some palm sugar from the cylinder block. It helps to balance the sour flavor of tamarind. You can use brown sugar as the substitute. The final step, put it all together and cook. The cooking part is simple once you have all the ingredients ready. Now essentially, you just need to stew the chicken with the curry paste. Here are more details for you. Saute the curry paste with some vegetable oil in a wok until it turns aromatic. It may take 5 to 10 minutes. By then, the red chili oil will separate from the paste. Add the coconut milk, kaffir lime leaves and the palm sugar to form a thin sauce. Add the chicken that has been deep fried into the curry paste and mix well. Cook for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the chicken chunks are cooked thoroughly. Dish out and serve. Garnish with cut red chili and thin slices of kaffir lime leaves. I've just shown you how to prepare the Kapitan chicken in 4 simple steps. You can download the recipe at my blog, tasteasianfood.com/Kapitan Chicken. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the button below. You'll find many other similar Asian dishes out there. And thanks for joining me today. I'll see you in the next video. My name is KP Kwan and bye for now.